When you see or hear something that is hard to believe, use one of these 5 words to express how you feel. 1. Astounded. The root of the word astound comes from Middle English astound and means to stun, and the suffix ed in English helps form a participial adjective and means having the qualities of. And so, the literal meaning of astounded is having been stunned. To be astounded means to be overwhelmed with shock and surprise. If you are ever left speechless by something in a good way, you can say that you were astounded by it. Let's use the word in a sentence. Erica was astounded to see Alaska's northern lights for the first time. 2. Flabbergasted. The root of this word is unknown, but it was first seen in a text printed in 1773. The suffix ed, just like in astounded, means having the qualities of. To be flabbergasted means to be overtaken with surprise or confusion. It is similar to being astounded, but usually to a greater degree and can be used in both good and bad situations. Here's an example. My friend was flabbergasted when he saw how much weight I had lost. 3. Phenomenal. The root of the word phenomenon comes from Greek phenomenon, which means is seen. And the suffix al in English helps form an adjective and means relating to. Therefore, phenomenal literally means relating to what is seen. To be phenomenal means to be unusually great or good. When someone or something is phenomenal, they are so impressive that they are almost unbelievable. Here's a usage example. Taylor Swift, being the first woman to win Grammy's Album of the Year twice, is phenomenal. 4. Awestruck. The root of the word awe in Old English is ege, which means fear or terror. The suffix struck also comes from Old English and means go or rob. So the word awestruck literally means to be robbed with fear. To be awestruck is to be full of both wonder and fear. Here's an example. The little girl was awestruck by the size of the elephant. 5. Marvelous. The root marvel comes from Old French merveille and means a wonder or miracle, and the suffix ous in English helps form an adjective and means that which. So, the literal meaning of marvelous is that which is a wonder or miracle. To be marvelous means to be extraordinarily great or excellent. Here's how to use the word in a sentence. The weather on our trip was simply marvelous. If you marvel at how English words can express different levels of emotion, watch the next video about 5 powerful English adjectives to express happiness. Keep growing your English vocabulary.